a beach volleyball. I wonder how much that costs.
Oh, brilliant.
Movie Park Germany, along with other Parques Reunidos parks, including Slagharen and Bobbejaanland, have started selling surprise bags. But what's inside them? We are joined with the latest group on a Coastwakes tour who randomly bought 6 of these bags, and this is the big reveal.
It's like lemony.
Warning, spoilers.
Tissues.
More tissues. Oh, tissues, wow. Top trumps. A beach ball. It's actually really good value because in the UK, if you go and get some chop chumps, it's like 10 quid. And then a lanyard from Movie Park's like another €5. Then you've got for paying all sorts in there.
So hard to bite it and it's not working.
Yeah, I'm not biting that.
These genuinely might be plastic.
It feels like it's going to cut my mouth.
Yeah, worth every penny.
100% worth it.
Yeah, worth it.
No, I want my money back.
Yeah, I like it. I've got my little top trump.
They're in German.
It's called Movie Park Germany. What do you think?